If you want to get the S&P kind of returns, then you have to take the S&P type risk. If you don't want the S&P type risk, then you have to accept less than S&P like returns. Now, in general, if you look back decades, that's not a big deal because that's not necessarily what happened. However, in the last 20 years, it's all US all the time. So if you were international, you would have underperformed basically for the last 20 years. But if you were in the US, you would have outperformed. Now, there were decades where international outperformed the US, and we might be entering one of those 10-year cycles where international outperforms the US. But we haven't seen it in so long. We have a whole generation of people for decades who've never seen that. And they just put all their money in tech stocks because that's the only thing that worked. Or let me rephrase that. It's the only thing that worked the best consistently. If you just put all your money in the Mag 7 and just left it, you would have done great. I don't think that's a good investment strategy, but if you had done that, you would have done great. Now, it doesn't mean that that's going to continue. And certainly we've seen signs of that where it's not continuing right now.